Imagine your keyboard weighed 20 pounds. Sounds crazy? Welcome to the world of typewriters. The typewriter's journey began in the 19th century with the iconic Scholes and Glidden typewriter, also known as the Typewriter. It looked more like a sewing machine. Fast forward to the early 20th century and typewriters became sleeker and more user-friendly. Ever heard of QWERTY? Yep, that layout started with typewriters. These mechanical marvels revolutionized offices and homes alike. By the 1970s, electric typewriters took the stage, making typing faster and easier. But the real game changer? The advent of computers in the 1980s. Now, we have keyboards on our phones and can type anywhere, anytime. From clunky keys to modern typing, the typewriter's legacy lives on. And that's the incredible journey of the typewriter in just 60 seconds. Keep typing, folks.